This feature phone could serve as a really useful backup device. It is the Ulefone Armor Mini 5, recently announced by the brand. It's very cheap. I think it costs less than $100. Anyways, the device has 9 specs. It has a 2.8-inch display. It's a touchscreen display actually, with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels. It ships with the Android 11 and it is powered by the MediaTek MT6739 SoC paired with 1GB RAM and 8GB internal storage. The internal storage can be expanded up to 64GB with a memory card. And the phone actually supports 4G, which is nice. And in the camera department, it has a single 0.3MP rear camera and the same 0.3MP selfie shooter as well. The phone also features a removable 2500 mAh battery, which according to the brand has a standby time of up to 311 hours. And one of the top features of the device is the fact that it is IP68 and IP69K rated and is also military grade standard 18H compliant. So it's a rugged feature phone. Anyway, as I said earlier, the phone will most likely cost less than $100. It's going to be very cheap, and it actually has what it takes to be a really nice backup device. Devices like this can last for a very long time. If you need that backup phone that you can use to make phone calls or maybe use in a very harsh environment, then this device actually makes a lot of sense, and it's very compact according to the details. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.